What up, YouTube? Old Redskin fan come back at you. Been in some Christmas shopping today, so stopped by Walmart. Well, I was already at Walmart, didn't stop by. And grabbed a box of Bowman Platinum. Everybody's talking about how loaded it was. I'm going to throw a recap video right here. I couldn't wait to open it. So, here's the recap vid. Everything in here is for sale or for trade. Just let me know if you're interested. Base, Mark Teixeira, Ichiro, Jose Reyes, and a collegiate national team of Brett Mooneyham. Pretty nice card if you can. The light to help you out a little bit. Blind you. That's the first pack. Second pack. Nick Markakis, Brian McCann for the PC. A rookie of Wilson Ramos from the Nationals. Wilson Ramos. And a collegiate national team of Jackie Bradley Jr. Next pack's Matt Cain base, Kendry Morales, CC Sabathia, and I guess this is a rookie. Yeah, I guess so. Jerry Sands rookie from the Dodgers. Not bad. I don't open much baseball, but I like this. Vernon Wells, Carl Crawford, Matt Kemp, and the rookie in that pack was Kyle Gibson. David Ortiz base, Zach Greinke, Ubaldo Jimenez. And the rookie in this pack is from the Braves, Freddie Freeman. Somebody said this kid was going to be real good. So, next pack got Victor Martinez, Billy Butler, and Andrew McCutchen. And then the hit in that pack is a Slade Heathcott. Sorry. Slade. The Yankees. And checker. Next pack's got Tommy Hanson, Hanley Ramirez, and Derek Jeter. The rookie is Lonnie Chisenhall. And the last pack, no autos in this shit. Robinson Cano, Dustin Pedroia, Miguel Cabrera. And the USA National Collegiate Team is Nolan Fontana. And that's it, guys. All cards you see are for sale or for trade. Just let me know what you need. And that's it. That's all I have for today. No mail days today. So, not a bad $20 box, I don't guess. They said Freddie Freeman's supposed to be a monster, so I'll probably keep a hold of him until he gets big, maybe. And that's all I have, guys. My wife tried to upload her video. She's just got a new YouTube, or her first YouTube, Ravens Girl. She tried to upload her video yesterday that she got from Jay. She told me to go ahead and show it on here. Sorry, Jay. It kept failing. She'd already opened the package. This is from Undefined Jay. So, post office fail. And they kicked it around. Jay sent her a Ray Rice for a PC out of Ultimate Collection. And he sent her a pack of SP Retail Football. And Jay couldn't believe what was in there. There was an Anquan Bolden, Brandon Jacobs, a Ronald Curry, an Aaron Campman, and an auto out of retail of Chad Henne out of rookie signature. So, thanks, Jay. You're the man. As always, Geek Squad. So I'm not a part of that because I don't wear glasses, Mr. J. But still, you're a cool dude. Shout out to Julian also, my husky brother. That's all I got for today. Redskin fan, out.